Once upon a time, there was a well, dears, and in that well, there lived so many frogs, and one among them was a king frog who was leading to all those frogs. And what happened, dear? The frog was irritated by its own relatives by the arguments and tortures. So, what the king frog thought is, I'll just get out from the well. So, it came out from the well, and he was walking through the road, and he met a cobra there, and he got an idea in his mind, and he asked the cobra, will you be my friend? And cobra said that me and you, like water and fire, never can be the friends. But still, frog said that if you be friend to me, then I'll provide you a lot of food. Actually, the cobra was very old and hungry, so he got, okay, I'll come to you. Then what is your point? Then frog said, there is a well, I am king of the frogs, and I am very much tortured by my relatives itself. So what you have to do is, you have to come to the well, and you have to eat only those frogs which I point out. Okay. Then cobra said that, how can I enter into the well? Can I do I have a legs to enter it? Then frog said that, I know the way to get you inside, I'll take you there. Only your work is to, you have to eat those frogs which I point out. Okay. Then both went into the well, and snake cobra start eating frogs one by one, one by one. All enemies got over, dears. Only friend frogs were left. And even that also, cobra did not stop, because cobra is eating, because it will be hunger, right? So it start eating even friends also. It start even own son of the frog also. Then only one frog left, that is the king frog. And at the end, cobra tried to eat that frog also. Then king frog said that, wait for a moment, I have another well. Okay. There also we have so many frogs. I will go there, and I'll bring all those frog into this well, so that even if you have a lot of frogs to eat, if you eat me, nothing is left. Then cobra was thinking like, okay, fine, you go, bring all of them. Then frog went up, and it never come back, and the cobra just died with the hunger in the well itself, dear. This story tells us that, dear, we have to fight our own battle. Otherwise, if you go through others, we are opening our own destruction, dear. Understanding? Keep it in your mind.